Namaste. There is one question which is asked very commonly, and this question is, why is it important to practice yoga? Well, I have several answers to it, but I would just begin with the basic definition of yoga. And that basic definition is yoga karmasu kaushalam. Full perfection in your work is yoga. When you become a yogi, when you start practicing yoga, you become perfect in whatever you do. You want to be a dancer, you want to be a perfect dancer. I'm sure there is no one who wants to do any of the work imperfectly, right? Nobody wants to be an imperfect politician, imperfect entrepreneur, imperfect artist, imperfect teacher, imperfect student, imperfect mother, imperfect father. No one would like to be imperfect in whatever role they are playing in their life, whatever they are doing in their professional life or their personal life. So yoga, which has its basic definition as yoga karmasu kaushalam, that teaches us how to be perfect in whatever you do. I have seen amazing results of yoga in my life. People often ask me, Acharya ji, how come you're a perfect daughter, you're a perfect wife, you're a perfect mother, you're a perfect guru, you're a perfect artist, you had been a gold medalist in Indian classical dance, a perfect diplomat, you received so many appreciations when you were working as a diplomat, you are a perfect yogi, how come you're perfect in whatever you are doing? So I always say, answer lies in being a yogi. When you're a yogi, when you start living a yogic life, your life changes and everything around and inside you changes. Yoga is a beautiful science that touches all the levels of human life, and if you really want to be perfect in your studies, in your profession, in your personal life, in whatever you do, you need to be a yogi. Now, when we talk, this is about yoga in totality. And when we talk about only the exercise part of yoga, why that is important, you need to understand. See, when you wake up in the morning and you have to leave your home through your car, what do? The very first thing you do is you check the fuel, whether there is fuel or not. You check the engine, what is the condition of engine, is it working properly or not? And then only you sit in the car, you start it, and you start your journey towards your office or wherever you are going. But how unfortunate it is that we all have this machine, this most amazing machine which you are blessed with, which you have got from divine, which you have got from Almighty. God has blessed you with this divine machine. Paramatma has blessed you with this machine. You wake up in the morning, you never check the fuel, you never check the status of your engine, your machinery, and you just start taking work from your machine. You pick up your phone, you start taking work from your eyes, from your brain, from your entire body, and you keep on taking work from this machine entire day, and even while sleeping, your body might sleep, but your mind and your brain is still active. It's very, very important to check the fuel before starting your journey. That means before beginning your day. When you wake up in the morning, you have to travel in this machine. That car, at least you can change after few years, After a few years, you can get a new car. But what about this machine? You cannot replace it. You have no other option. You have no option to replace this machine. You have no option to change this machine. Then what do we do, Acharya ji? What you have to do is, you have to maintain this machine, because entire life you have to travel in this. Entire life you have to travel in this machine and no other machine at all. So, when you wake up in the morning, make sure you check the fuel, you check this machine, and then you start taking work from it. You keep the engine intact, you keep this machine intact. And that also, not only the external, not only the body, but mind as well. And yoga is the only technique through which you can keep this machine intact, so that you can not only enjoy your journey, but also you can have a long, beautiful journey. It might be possible you can enjoy your journey for 2-3 years or days or whatsoever you count it to. But what if it breaks down in between. So not only beautiful journey, but also long, pleasant journey. If you want to have that, make sure you choose the path of yoga. You choose the path of health. You choose the path of divinity, and you choose the path of bliss. Yoga is the path of perfect health, divinity, bliss. All what you want to attain in your life can be attained through the path of yoga. So from today, make sure that you become a yogi.